6 simple steps to win lottery. Are you tired of financial struggles and ready to invite abundance into your life? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the transformative power of the law of attraction, inspired by Catherine Ponder's timeless wisdom. You might be skeptical, wondering, does it really work? Can money truly flow into my life? Well, I'm here to tell you that it absolutely can. By understanding and harnessing the principles of the law of attraction, you can shift your mindset, attract prosperity, and manifest the wealth you deserve. Join me as we explore practical techniques and inspiring stories that demonstrate how the law of attraction can indeed change your financial reality. Get ready to unlock the abundance that awaits you. It's time to let money flow into your life. Have you ever found yourself daydreaming about what you'd do if you struck it rich? Picture yourself bidding farewell to your current job, embarking on a luxurious journey around the globe, indulging in the purchase of a top-of-the-line automobile, and generously contributing to charitable causes. The possibilities seem boundless, don't they? However, let's be realistic. The chances of winning the lottery are exceedingly slim. Yet, what if I told you that there are strategies to bolster your odds and materialize lottery wins through a concept known as the law of attraction? It may sound improbable, but I've personally tested it, and it proved effective. In this video, I'll divulge the precise methods I employed to not only secure modest prizes, but also clinch substantial jackpot victories. Welcome back, wonderful people. I'm thrilled to have you here because today, I'll be sharing a potent technique that could significantly enhance your likelihood of winning the lottery. Now, I understand that some of you might harbor skepticism, but bear with me. This approach is genuine. I've utilized the law of attraction to manifest noteworthy lottery wins in my own life. I'm not referring to meager winnings. I'm talking about sums ranging from tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars. I transitioned from merely playing the lottery for entertainment to reaping life-altering amounts of money. So if you're ready to cease squandering your funds on lottery tickets and begin leveraging the law of attraction to secure substantial wins, stay tuned. I'll guide you through the process step by step. Step 1. Visualize your lottery win. Have you ever imagined what you would do if you won the lottery? Picture yourself quitting your job, jetting off on a first-class trip around the world, buying a luxury car, and donating to charity. The possibilities seem endless, but let's face it, the odds of winning the lottery are incredibly slim. What if I told you there are ways to increase your chances and manifest lottery wins using something called the law of attraction? It may sound crazy, but I tried it myself, and it worked. In this video, I'll share the exact techniques I used to win not just small prizes, but major jackpot wins too. I promise that if you follow these simple steps, you can use the law of attraction to manifest real lottery success. Get ready to play for fun and win big. Step 2. Believe in the power of the law of attraction. Now, I know some of you might be skeptical, but hear me out. This stuff really works. I've used the law of attraction to manifest some huge lottery prize wins in my life. I'm not talking about winning $5 here or a free ticket there. I'm talking tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. I went from playing the lottery just for fun to actually winning life-changing amounts of money. So if you're ready to stop wasting your money on lottery tickets and start using the law of attraction to win big, keep watching. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Step 3. Harness the power of positive affirmations tailored to lottery wins. Repeat phrases like, I effortlessly attract lottery fortunes, or wealth flows to me effortlessly. Affirmations rewire your beliefs and thoughts to align more closely with winning. Choose affirmations that resonate with you, instilling optimism and empowerment. Other examples include, I am a magnet for money, and abundance flows effortlessly into my life. Craft affirmations specific to lottery wins and money, sending clear signals to the universe while uplifting your spirits. Repeat these affirmations aloud or silently throughout your day, upon waking, during routines, or before bed. Personally, I find reciting them while facing the mirror particularly reinforcing. You can also jot them down on post-it notes and place them in prominent spots like your car or wallet for consistent reinforcement. The key lies in consistent repetition, conditioning your mind to embrace these affirmations fully. Sorry for the interruption, but here's a game changer. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Step 4. Cultivate gratitude for every instance of financial abundance, no matter how small. This positive energy attracts more wealth into your life. Whether it's stumbling upon a quarter on the sidewalk or receiving an unexpected check in the mail, express genuine appreciation to the universe. Vocalize your gratitude or document it daily in a journal. List all the monetary blessings, no matter how minor, and verbally thank the universe for providing. Train your mind to anticipate prosperity by acknowledging it in your everyday experiences. Before cashing your paycheck or making purchases, take a moment to express gratitude. By consistently appreciating even the smallest financial blessings, you open yourself up to receiving greater abundance. Step 5. Place your trust in the universe's ability to deliver your lottery win at the perfect moment, then release any attachment to the outcome. Detach from worrying about the how or when of your win. Remind yourself that the universe supports your desires and works in your favor. Focus on visualizing, affirming, and expressing gratitude while relinquishing control of the process. When anxious thoughts arise, center yourself with deep breaths and reconnect with the present moment. Avoid fixating on lottery results or constantly seeking reassurance. Trust in the divine timing and have faith that your win is already on its way. Step 6. Embrace a playful attitude and relish in the anticipation of your win. Approach lottery activities with a light-hearted, curious spirit rather than desperation. View it as an enjoyable game rather than a pressured need. When selecting numbers, stay open to intuitive nudges or patterns that catch your attention. Keep your vibe positive and optimistic, steering clear of fear or scarcity thinking. Stay present to the joyous possibilities and maintain trust in the universe's abundance. Remember, manifesting your lottery win should feel exciting, not stressful. Enjoy the process and trust that the win is already yours. As we conclude our journey into the realm of manifesting lottery wins through the law of attraction, remember this: the power lies within you to transform your financial reality. By implementing these 6 steps, visualizing your win, believing wholeheartedly, affirming your desires, cultivating gratitude, trusting the universe's timing, and embracing joy throughout the process, you are aligning yourself with the abundance that awaits. Each step is a testament to your ability to manifest your dreams into tangible reality. So, as you embark on this journey, keep your vision clear, your heart open, and your spirit light. Trust in the universe's infinite possibilities and know that your desires are already on their way to you. Stay committed, stay positive, and above all, stay excited about the magical journey ahead. Remember, the universe is conspiring in your favor, ready to deliver your wildest dreams. Share your experiences, insights, and victories in the comments below. Let's continue to inspire and uplift each other as we manifest our greatest dreams together. Thank you for joining me on this transformative exploration. Until next time, may abundance flow effortlessly into your life, and may your dreams manifest with ease. Here's to your continued success and prosperity. Farewell for now, and remember, your lottery win is just a thought away.